Hey, everyone! Use the Hypefury coupon code to unlock the maximum discount on your plans. Simply apply this code at checkout, and you'll enjoy significant savings on your subscription. This is a fantastic opportunity to enhance your social media management and automation while saving money. Hypefury is a powerful tool designed to help you automate your Twitter presence, grow your audience, and maximize engagement with ease. With features like auto-scheduling, analytics, and content recycling, Hypefury empowers you to maintain a consistent and effective social media strategy. By using the Hypefury promo code at checkout, you can take full advantage of this valuable discount, allowing you to access premium features at a more affordable price. This limited-time offer is your chance to elevate your social media game while enjoying substantial savings, so don't miss out on this incredible deal. Imagine how much more efficiently you can manage your Twitter account and connect with your audience with those savings. With Hypefury's robust functionalities,